Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the HipKit Club. Today is Mixed Media Monday and I started my project with some texture paste and the stencil that were included in the color kit. And I printed out a bunch of new pictures and I wanted to create a very watercolory background, and so I'm grabbing the magical powder Azurcir esters or something like that that were included in the color kit. And I'm just spritzing a lot of water onto that texture paste, and then I'm adding the powder so you can see how the powder is reacting with the water, and everything is just running and is making a beautiful pattern. My idea was to create a center line of color, and I wanted to have the colors run off the page. So I'm just lifting the paper up and I'm spritzing more water onto it. And I'm just, doing that until I'm totally happy with how the color is looking. And I will also grab the little shaker we got, I believe, in last month's kit. And that is a color Afternoon Delight Denim, and it's a very pretty dark blue color you can see right now. And I'm doing the same. I'm spritzing the water onto the background, and then I'm just adding some of the magical powder on top, and I love that color, and I totally love how they are both running into each other. It's creating a beautiful shade of new blue tones and it's just I really like how this is looking. So I am working with the June kits. Yes, I have not said that. So I'm working with the June kit, and the light blue color was in the June color kit, and the bluish, the blue one, I believe that was last month, but I'm not pretty sure. So this is the background I'm working with today. I really love how this is looking. I'm sorry. And I decided to go with that beach picture because the colors were just perfectly matching, and I love the feel of the blue sky and the sand, and it's just, I love it. So now I'm grabbing a paper from Vicky Bouton, and there's this little sentence: live for the moments you can't put into words. And I wanted to use that, but I will not, I believe. So now I'm just looking, oh no, yeah, I also wanted to use some of these blue hearts, and they are also from a Vicky Bouton paper. And this paper I'm cutting into right now is from Heidi Swap. And I wanted to have some black and white behind that picture. I will also go through the Project Life cards, and I will also add one of this. And I decided to go with a piece from that Pink Fresh Studio frame, and I will just cut off the little saying. I believe, I don't know, it's something with wonder. Let's be adventurous or something like that. Yeah, and I decided to go with this turquoisey toned Project Life card. There's an arrow on it, and I will grab my knife, just a knife to cut out a part from the arrow so that I can open the arrow and slip the picture behind it. And I believe, yeah, and I love how this is looking. I wish the arrow would point to my little one who's running over the beach, but it's not, and I'm fine with that. So now I'm looking into the Vicky Bouton ephemera pieces, and I will grab some leaves, and I wanted to bring in some green because I really love how green is working with the blue tones. And here I took a little break. I did some fussy cutting from one of the, I believe that was a Chimel paper with all of the leaves and the pretty flowers. And nothing is glued down yet. I just played around with my design. And I really love how the green is popping here. I just love it. And yeah, I'm using a lot of foam tape and dots and some liquid glue because there is mixed media in the background, and nothing would love to stay there. So Now I'm just gluing down the leaves and the flowers to the picture, and gluing down that big piece of paper and picture and leaves. And yeah, I'm using a lot of foam and dimension tape because I really love to work with a lot of dimension. And I'm not a person who have all of the layouts in some albums, so I'm totally fine with that. And yeah, just adding the flowers, and then I will work on my title. And you can see the beautiful Chimel word thickers on the right side, and I will use one of the words for my title, and I will also use the blue thickers that were included, and I believe they are from Pink Paisley. So here I'm just quickly showing you the paper, and now I'm grabbing that set from Chimel, and I will, there's See the World, and the word sea is a German word for the word ocean. So I will work, I will use that as a part from my German title. And the picture was taken on the North Sea, and Nordsee, yeah. And so I'm going with the word sea for the See, and the word north with this with these blue thickers. Yeah, and next to that, I am nearly done. I will bring in some Amy Tangerine hearts, and I will, I don't know, maybe I'm done? Maybe. Oh yeah, I'm grabbing one of these chipboard stickers from Vicky Booten, and this is Remember This. And I wanted to tuck it behind the papers, but then I would cover it up, the word this, and so I'm just sticking that on top of the picture. And I like how this is looking. Now some 3 light blue hearts, and I also added some iridescent circles around everything. They were also on the thicker set from Chimel. And here I'm grabbing one of the puffy stickers. They are from Vicky Booten, and I'm just using the word yes. And then I will mix my own green color to add some splatters. And I will do that with the 2 magical powders, with the yellow one, that is Summer Love and Sun, and the blue one that was something with sea esters or something like that. And now I'm just mixing, and I'm adding more water and more from the powder, and then I will add my splatters, and then I am done. And I totally love how this layout came together. I love the colors, and I love the touch of green. And you will get a close-up in a second, and for sure some final pictures at the end. And yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, and I wish you all a great day. Yeah, thank you, and bye.